Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best TradingView template for Forex. So here's a breakdown. If you are new to Forex and you want a clear, simple chart setup on TradingView, here's a great template to start with. Use a 15-minute or 1-hour chart for most pairs. It shows meaningful moves without too much noise. Add a 50 and 200 moving average so you can quickly see the trend direction. Next, put the RSI on the bottom so you can spot overbought or oversold condition, and include volume to confirm strong price moves. Keep your chart clean with only these key tools. Fewer distraction means fast decision. Save it as a template so you can load it instantly for any currency pair. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more simple Forex setup, and comment which pair you will use it on first. And that's it.